Okay, so here is the little guy. It's the little Rottweiler Performance Fuel Dongle. If you just look that up, you'll find it. It was like $34 plus shipping or whatever. And it just plugs into the O2 sensor on the 701. The O2 sensor is there to like help with emissions and stuff like that. There it is, that little thing right there. But it's very unnecessary and causes the bike to be slow and stupid and lag. So by putting this there, it bypasses the O2 sensor, helping it lag a little less and give it more power when it needs it. So we'll start with just taking off the seat first. Right, there's this little plug right here. You pull it, it undoes something in the back. And then up front, there's these two little, holy McBobs. Okay, there we go, all off. You need a Torque 30 to take off this side panel, and most of all the panels around here. But underneath here, there's like a little box, like where you put tools. But the only way to get to that is to have a Torque 30. And it doesn't come with that or anything like that. And then there's two more right here and right here. That wasn't even tight. Neither was that one. The two in the front are longer than the ones in the back. Okay. Slides off nice and pretty like. Here's the little compartment thingy where you can put things in, but there's nothing in it, so that's pretty neat. Okay, so then we find, here it is. That's the O2 sensor right there. This is all hot because I just took it for a ride. And the O2 sensor comes up. Okay, so I just took off the little box that was sitting there because the sensor is somewhere behind it. Okay, for future reference, taking that little box off was completely unnecessary because the wire goes from right there, goes behind this, up and around, and then it's right there in this little mess of an area. I have it yanked out now. I just need to unplug it with a little pick of some sort. Thank you. What'd you do? I won't do that. Alright, can you give me the fuel dongle thing? As you see, it has been disconnected miraculously. You plug it in this way so it lines up. Okay. This is off. So there's no check engine light? No check engine light, so that's good. It's a lot better feedback. Wow, it really smells like it's more rich. Okay, go ahead and put everything else back on the way it came off. There is options to plug up that O2 sensor, but I didn't want to pay the extra $20 just to buy the little end cap that Rottweiler sells to plug it. So this little thing is just going to stay right there. I don't think this isn't going to go anywhere. It's zip tied in right there. So if I'll put a tape over it. Yeah, jam it back in here or something. Okay, well, it's all put together, and so now all that's left is a good old test ride. So this is a before Rottweiler fuel dongle thing. Right here, as you can see as I'm getting on, there's like a little bit of lag. It's kind of twitchy. Not twitchy, but it's just like lags a bit on the power. And you can especially tell at like lower speeds. It feels like there should be more power, but it just doesn't come on like it should. And so hopefully the dongle will really liven this thing up at lower RPMs like it says it will. You can hear it there in that rev. It goes, look at the hand. Look at that delay. Feels like it's going to stall just from me doing that. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a wheelie test now. In first gear, it'll definitely pull up. Actually, it didn't really do it there. Interesting. Right there. It'll go up higher, but I'm not going to take it any higher. And then second gear, if just by giving it gas, it usually doesn't just come straight up. Yeah, it tried right there, but then it just kind of like shut down. But it will do clutch ups. I'm going to do a quick 0 to 60. No one's behind me. Sick. All right. 3, 2, 1. quick, dude. Alrighty, first impressions. I would say the bike feels about the same. Feels about the same, yeah. But we'll really test it when we get on the road, because doing stuff in this grass and slippery is not gonna work. Alrighty, so like we saw in the shop, throttle is so much more reactive. Alright, 0 to 60. Throttle is much better at reacting when you give it. It's much more, I guess, twitchy. Because before it would like lag a little bit, but now, nope, it's right there. It got you at that throttle. But then, where the wheelies improved, alright, so here's first gear. Ah, yeah, definitely. That thing comes up pretty fucking quick. How about second gear? Nope, still a little bit of lag, but that just comes to motors revving up nice and good. I think it does clutch ups a little better though. With some finesse, third gear might be doable. Alrighty, another quick 0 to 60. The front wheel was floating up on that second gear. That was really botched, but it was about to come up on second gear there. Alright, that concludes the video. Got nothing else to say. The bike feels a little bit better. I would say that $30 is worth it. It'll be definitely doing better. And the main thing too is it's leaned out now, or sorry, it's richened up, because before it was really lean, which means it burns really hot at lower RPMs. But now that it's richened up, it's definitely cooler instead of being as hot as it was. Alright, I guess that's all. Bye-bye.